engine errors on my 2008 Ranger XL Sport with a 3-liter, and my guess it's some sort of vacuum leak. The 3.0s are just notorious for sensor errors after sensor errors, so we'll go ahead and bring up the computer and see what it has to say. 0442 evap leak detected. It says adjust fuel cap and replace fuel cap, and it says replace the evap canister. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those and film that as I go. Part number on the fuel cap is 4839BT. Evap canister number is P0442. Pretty easy to get off compared to the older cars. It's just a clip. There's just a little button on both the hoses you push. Again, these are really easy. Done. That easy with these newer cars. I just clear the codes, take the car for the drive, see what happens.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah. I see it like literally every day.